in order for us to interact with our database tables and build our database tables in the database, we're going to create a set of Django models. In this project, we simply need a table for products, so we'll go ahead and create a products and category table. So head over to inventory models. Inside of here, let's go ahead and define our category model first. Now, strictly speaking, we won't necessarily need the category model, but we start off by building a parent field for a self-referring foreign key, and then we build the rest of the fields. Again, we aren't necessarily going to be utilizing them directly in this project, but we set them up, and then we can then create our dunder string to return the name for the category, and then our product. So our product consists of a foreign key over to the category table, and then a few other fields related to storing a product. Importantly here, we will be working with price. So here we have defined a decimal field, maximum digits of 10 and 2 decimal places. So in this project, because I'm British, I'm going to be using pound and pence, or talking about pound and pence. So we're going to use 2 decimal places. Right, so that's the 2 models that we're going to be using in this project.